Hello, America. Hi, America. That is my son. And I don't know if any of you guys know this guy, but this is Dr. Tichenor. And my son is very, very eager to be introduced to Dr. Tichenor. So we're going to let him take, he said, you want to do it like Daddy, do it without no water. All right, so you can see that I just put the normal little amount right there in the little cap. And, you know, we clean the cap real good, sterilize the cap first, naturally. Yeah, we put some Dr. Tichenors in it, roast it around first. But we're going to let him take this shot real quick and swish it around a little bit and see how far it goes, all right? All righty, Devontae, let's see what you got. Oh, you just need what's going on, man. Oh, wow.
Taste the elements in the air.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Don't do that. Listen to your father.